We up early this morning. It's about 7 o'clock. So it's our first day of the ministry. We haven't even got out the gate good yet. Sorry, the camera moving so much. Haven't even got out the gate good yet. Got a couple honks already. So we're headed up to our main thoroughfare here. It's gonna be a minute. Gotta go all the way up. We're in like the southeast portion of Houston. Everybody know that Texas. Yeah, we're getting ready to go to South Post Oak and some street. So we'll holler at you when we get there. All right. Okay, we started. We got cars behind us. We got a sign up. All right, all right. Hey, we got people honking. Honking. It's 7:30 in the morning. Let's turn this way. All right, we got some honking going on. Hey, got some honking going on. Let's see the cars go by. Hey, dancing, man. This way. All right. All right. All right. Hey. And we're going back around. Going back around slowly. Back over this way. Hey. All right, tell everybody I honked. Let everybody know you honked. There you go. All right, buddy. Hey. Hey. What's your name? Just tell me your name. What's your name? What's your church? All right. What's your name? Hello. You look good, girl. You look good. What's your name? Tanya. Did you honk? Let me hear you honk, Tanya. Go on. What church you go to? Who's your pastor? Go on with your bad self. What's your name? Come on, all the way down! All the way down! All the way down! Please! Please!